Desiree McEwen is seeking you, the general public's assistance. Her daughter, 17-year-old Chevon Pascal of Grandin's Housing Scheme St. George, was once a promising athlete. However, due to spinal injury, she is now bedridden and in need of urgent surgery. Ms. McEwen says that for months her daughter has been complaining of back pain, something she thought might go away with a little warm application. Her daughter's complaints did not stop, and so she was advised to seek medical advice.
Going to the doctor, she had a little swelling on the hip, and he wanted to narrow it down to where the problem stemmed from. So he did a few x-ray on her, and upon doing all the x-ray, they figured out where the problem was her back. Apparently she had a chip dice or catheter in her back that got a little crack, and nobody knew about it. So basically it was there and deteriorating over a period of time, and it get worse. As you know, the little dice and them that keep the spine upright, apparently one of them had a little chip, so it was leaking.
Surgery is scheduled for this Friday, according to Ms. McEwen, and as this is her only child, she is hoping for a miracle. To make the surgery a reality, Ms. McEwen is pleading for assistance from the general public to help her daughter regain mobility.
Add to it, she's my only child, so then you understand where I'm coming from. As a mother, I'm praying for a Christmas miracle to get her back on her feet, because we have been assured once the surgery is done, so her spine can take, because she has movement in the hands. She can move the foot, but she just cannot, force the spine, and the spine keeps the body upright. So she's scheduled for an emergency surgery. Now we are fortunate that the surgeons will be coming here, so she's scheduled to do the surgery at SAM. Officially, we got the 17th as the date to get her surgery done, but upon the physicians and the surgeons reaching here, the date was changed on us to the 10th, which is Friday coming. So we out here just asking for any contribution or any aid that anybody could give us, any firm, any entity, anybody, any contribution you get to go far, because the fund we're looking to raise is $18,250 US, which is equivalent to around $50,000 US.
Chevon, though bedridden, remains optimistic and is adding her voice to her cause.
I really appreciate those who can really help, because I really want to get back on my feet and help my mom around the house, because since I get this injury, she's been on her feet and she has not been able to get proper sleep at night, because sometimes I have pain or swelling to my hips or my knees, and she might have to run in the room and come and give me tablets, put warm water so it can cool down and then stuff.
Thus far, Ms. McEwen says they have accumulated $10,000 EC from contributions. Christelina John, GBN News.